Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone guys Bluetooth setting, and today friends we will talk about guys earbud. How to connect with Redmi phone. Friends, you have your this earbud and friends you want to connect with your phone. So friends, how can you connect today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all we will on our phone setting to connect this earbud. Then guys scroll it. As you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. Guys first of all guys, we will on phone Bluetooth and we will take out our earbuds. Friends, you want to connect one. Friends, you want to connect both of earbuds. So friends, take out your both of earbud and friends you can see available device. So first of all we will refresh. After refresh guys, you can see your earbud name. So I have guys this TWS, so I will tap here to connect. Then guys you can see this notification guys, click on this right side option friends, then it will connect after 4 and 5 seconds guys. You can see connected and once you can use your earbud. As you can see this icon, earbud has connected with our Redmi phone. So like that guys, you can connect your earbud with your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.